Here is an opportunity to give yourself that needed edge in securing a better job. Considering the growing needs for business automation, many businesses are now leveraging softwares that could help them manage and speed up their processes. So job seekers who are more proficient with this easy-to-use enterprise resource planning software are usually offered relevant job opportunity even when they didn't study accounting. As a result, Folaranmi Consulting developed a self-paced interactive video training to help you learn how to use this accounting software even at the comfort of your home or anywhere you choose to without the need for internet. You can watch this video for as many times as you want, and at the end you get to print your certificate. So here we have the essential training covering the basics of Sage 50 accounting and the advanced training to help you master the advanced modules. Now let's take a quick tour of the video training.
Hello, my name is Biodun Folaranmi. You're welcome to Sage 50 Accounting, formerly known as Peachtree, Interactive Self-Paced Training. This training is developed and designed by Folaranmi Consulting Nigeria, a training consulting firm with expertise in using technology to enhance knowledge and skills acquisition. This training is the first in the series, as we have the essential and the advanced training. So choosing to start with this essential training is the right step to having a sound foundation in Sage 50 Accounting. So if you are a trained accountant who has no hands-on knowledge of the accounting software, or you are an accounting student in a tertiary or professional institution, this essential training has been designed to get you the needed foundation skills and knowledge of Sage 50. And even if you are someone who has no accounting background, this training has been designed to get you started in acquiring the needed skills. At the end of this training, you should have learned the following. You should be able to easily navigate the Sage 50 user interface. You should know how to set up a company using a sample business type chart of accounts, how to set up customers, how to set up vendors, how to set up inventory, how to enter beginning balances, how to handle quotes, sales orders and invoices. You will also learn how to enter receipts and payments and much more. So once you have completed the training, you will be able to print your certificate after taking the test. We're going to be using a case study of a fictitious company with relevant data needed for the company setup and transactions, covering various scenarios you could encounter while using Sage 50 on the job. You're welcome to this section where we are going to learn some basic concepts about accounting information system. By the end of this section, we will be having information systems, its components, and impact on business.
To record this transaction, you should note that you can access the payments command either from the menu bar under the tax menu here and click on payment, and you can also choose to come down to the vendor navigation center here and click on pay bill. Hello, my name is Biodun Folaranmi. Welcome to Sage 50 Video Training, also known as Peachtree. In this training, we're going to be working with a case study of a fictitious company that wants to adopt Sage 50 to manage its accounting processes. So before we go right ahead into the training, I would like us to get an idea of how some of the documents we're going to be working with are laid out. So we have the exercise files containing case study with the information, with all the details needed. Here we have the case study itself and other details needed and the requirements, and we also have the transactions that we'll be entering for the month of December, and we have another file containing the chart of accounts for StreetSense, the consulting firm that we're going to be setting up in this case study. So you have all of these. You can access all of them in the resource tab section at the right top corner of the window. You can click on the resources tab, and then there you will access, you will see the files, all the files I've mentioned, the case study, the chart of accounts, and the transactions. So now let's go straight into the training. StreetSense is a consulting firm with growing patronage for its bespoke and open training interventions for organizations. In recent times, the company has been able to leverage on the growing demand for its products, learning resources such as books and audio CDs on various topics by setting up a learning resource department. However, the need to keep track of its finances and be able to make informed financial decisions in real time led to its adoption of Sage 50 accounting software to manage its accounting system. So the following details of its past financials are provided below. And here we are required to create StreetSense Consulting in Sage 50, import its ledger accounting to Sage 50, which are included in the exercise file, enter the beginning balances, set up customers, inventories, jobs, employees, and payroll. Also, we are required to customize the forms and reports, and go ahead to enter all the transactions for the month of December, and finally generate financial statements, job profitability reports, and bank reconciliations report. To place your order, click on the link below or call any of these numbers.